Okay, so this is the third part. In this third part, we are asking ChatGPT to create for us a firewall, but using a filter IP table, using the same data, using the same information that we supplied, which is the IP address, the interface name, and the port of the PostgreSQL database. Okay, so let's see if we succeed or not. Okay, so let us give it some time to configure the configurations. Now remember, in this case, we are asking for an ipTables using of the type filter, which is the most common one. The default, actually the default IP table is the filter. So we will asking it to give us the default type of the ipTables to run on our server to create a firewall. So install the ipTables package if it's not already installed. Okay, by default it's on Ubuntu, it's already there. Any distro, any Linux distro, it's by default, you don't have to. Okay, flush all existing ipTable rules. That's a good thing because we are installing a new rules, so we need to flush them. Means we need to get rid of them. Okay. Input drop and output drop. Okay. You need to stop the traffic, obviously. On the loopback, it will accept. On the input and the output, allow incoming SSH traffic. Dport 22, accept. And he's taking our interface, as you can see, it's taking our interface as a TCP, but it's taking our port, our interface, our Ethernet that we are specified with the actual name of your Ethernet interface, if applicable. We don't need that. Okay, now it's given us access to port 5432. Okay. Allow incoming traffic to port for your PostgreSQL database. Okay, so let's recap from the beginning what it was doing. First of all, he installed the ipTable. No, sorry, where was that? No. Actually, it's this one from here. So it's installing the ipTable, which we don't need because by default ipTables installed on Linux distros, especially on Ubuntu. Now it's flushing the existing tables rules because we are setting now a new rules. He is putting the rules, the policy of the firewall, drop for input and output of, same as when we do the UFW at the beginning, we need to drop all the incoming and drop all the incoming, actually we drop it. So here with the input he is dropping also with the output, and then he's allowing only on the loopback. Allow also the SSH on that interface. Okay, now allowing port 80 and port 443, which is the HTTPS. Now he's allowing the port 5432 onto that, and then all these rules that we have placed in, he just we create a table, a file by the name rules.version4. So let's save the rules and load them automatically at boot. That's impressive, actually. Yes, it's simple. It's not very much, because we didn't give any complicated requirements. I just tried to keep it simple, but it's impressive. I mean, it's impressive. Now, I don't know if we give more rules or more requirements, how it will handle it. But in general, it's nice. It can give you the basic ipTables, the filter ipTables with the basic configurations that is requiring. Nice. Okay, so today we have tried the ChatGPT with the firewall, and let's try other things next time with the ChatGPT and see what it can do, what capabilities it can do with our database and with our servers. Thank you very much.